Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have full fairy and angel energy on.
I have my schoolgirl energy on, and this angel and schoolgirl who request you to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm Yugasha
Yes,
Ratra,
I'm Sakshi Jain.
and this is our podcast called Gospel Saying. So, before starting this episode, we actually took a minute to realize that we have entered our midlife crisis and we need to start thinking about the career we want to build, or should we,
Yeah,
start therapy at this point, which is like crazy because midlife crisis starts at the age of 40 or your late 30s, maybe. But it's crazy that people our age, like people in their mid 20s, are already experiencing these
midlife
midlife
crisis.
crisis, which like people older to us would be laughing. But it is the reality. There are so many freaking decisions to take, like right
Yeah,
now.
and I feel you are just stuck at this really weird age wherein your college and school that gets over, your friends are doing something, you have different sort of friends. It's not like कि तुम school जाते हो सिर्फ वही तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं, तुम घर आते हो, you have clients, you're interacting day to day life में कितने अलग अलग लोगों से. तो
जो
I
अपनी
think
लाइफ में आई
a
थिंक
lot of
डिफरेंट पाथ चूज कर चुके
exactly
हैं.
कर चुके हैं. तो and some of my friends are younger than me also, so even you interact with different kinds of people. तो तभी भी वो mindset में इतना अजीब अजीब हो जाता है कि you feel like everyone is doing something or the other. What should you choose? It's not like that you don't have options or anything. It's just that difficult to choose, and what if it doesn't work out? What if I'm just wasting my time? Like, oh my god, so many thoughts.
और मुझे लगता है ये क्राइसिस जल्दी आना भी इसलिए स्टार्ट हो गए क्योंकि पीपल आर चूजिंग करियर्स लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स वेयर दे आर earning crazy amount of money,
YouTubers.
exactly, buying houses, and at the age of 23, 24, and you're like, oh my god, I have like 500 rupees in my bank account. What am I doing? Like, where is this going?
That's what I'm saying ना. You see all of that happening जो पहले नहीं होता था usually. At least
Exactly.
होता भी था तो इतना शोर तो नहीं होता था हर चीज का.
So some people at the age of 25 are like, we need to get married, we need to settle, we are sitting in our chura and just
That's life.
forget about everything. And one person is like, listen, I need to go and do my masters and we'll
Yeah.
sort this commitment shit later. Some people are like, okay, I'm doing my content creation journey. Like, there are so many different paths to beyond that. It's crazy.
Yeah.
अभी तो मैं
To
डिसाइड
take.
नहीं हो पा रहा है कि मैं कौन से करियर में ज्यादा दिमाग लगाऊं दैट इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी ग्रेट फॉर मी, एंड ऑल्सो इफ आई वांट टू हैव अ किड एट द एंड ऑफ इट, कि मुझे चाहिए कोई मिनी मी. सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड इफ यू नीड टू फ्रीज योर एग्स. Guys don't understand this. Guys don't have this problem
Yeah, the
at
other
all.
day only we were having conversation about freezing our eggs, like how important it is. Like अगर तुम्हें 30 के बाद kids करने हैं या फिर like you don't know अभी तुम्हारा कब state बनेगा and you would want to have kids, but like for now, let's say if you want to have like after 30 or 32, so you have to start thinking now only कि
Yeah,
अभी
you need
कराना
to tell me
पड़ेगा.
now. You need to make that decision. Now. Do you want to have a kid? Do you want like अभी बताओ जल्दी से
क्या
जल्दी.
pressure है ये?
And the amount of money it's gonna cost to go through that process, and that
Yeah.
kid turns out to be a ungrateful brat, and I'm like, I don't
No.
know what to say to you. I feel like slapping across the face the things I had to decide at my
Mid-20s.
Exactly, and you turned out to be like this. I just don't know what to think about
I think
it.
that is also like my biggest concern. What if like I was so expensive for my parents, and raising someone like me would be a task.
Exactly.
So and turns out to be like a really, like he said, brat or something, would be really hurtful for me. That's what I can say.
Why did I think that it's gonna be this magical thing
Yeah,
in my
that
life?
too. I spent like 8 to 9 years to, go through that. Like I decided 8 to 9 years pehle that I want to have this 8 to 9 years bath.
And I think we need to have some person जो अपनी इस journey के बारे में बात कर सके, who have maybe gone through freezing the eggs and have a
Yeah.
kid through it, because there are many questions which are technical and like, how do you recognize after 8 years that this is
This
my
is-
and what if they put somebody else's that good news
वो
वाला
तो-
जो scenario है, उसमें तो it was very current कि अच्छा वो mix हो गया जो भी हुआ.
And पता चल गया उनको.
Exactly. It's gonna be after 8 years. It can totally be a technical mistake. There are so many questions that I would love for somebody to
Answer.
get up and make a video about it. Some Indian person, please petition to do that.
True. पता चले कि वो 8 साल बाद ही पता चल रहा है तुम्हें कि ये मेरी हरकतें नहीं दिया
Just doubt हो रहा है. This is not
I would
me.
never do that.
He's going to the hospital. I don't think,
This is not matching.
I don't think this is my kid.
This is not my setting. Please change it.
Oh shit. Talking about careers, I think at the age of 15 or 16, you kind of understand that I'm not the kind of a person like thriving for the top thingy. I'm
Yeah.
chilling in my mediocre, area.
Let
and
me
I'm
live
thriving.
the moment.
And I'm thriving. So, मेरे स्कूल में they had this mini racism system जहाँ पे उन्होंने sections बना रखे थे. Like for example, for commerce, there is F section जिसमें जो बच्चे टॉप कर रहे हैं वो हैं. G में there are like middle 75 to 80%
Average students.
Yeah, average students. And H में there are people who are barely passing and making up to the mark. And I maintained my throne in G section because I am kind of a girl who thrives in mediocrity. मतलब मुझे पता है मुझे यही करना है, मुझे नहीं जाना है उस IIM की रेस में, मुझे DU के वो रैट रेस में स्कूल में जाना ही नहीं है. एंड आई डिसाइड दैट फॉर माई सेल्फ वेरी सून कि लिसन, not putting that pressure on myself, I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
I'm just grateful for the kind of a family that I have, that they never pushed me to that direction ki why not, why not. So I just chose to thrive in mediocrity very well.
Even I feel that I can't pressure myself. Like 15-16 से मेरे को समझ गया था. Like I did give JEE and all also, but वही है ना कि I saw people taking so much pressure that if they don't score. I got 16 marks in JEE
I have no clue what that is actually.
out of 360.
Oh, I know that is bad. That much I know. That much maths I can do.
But yeah, like उस time भी pressure नहीं हुआ. मतलब अभी भी in fact I can't pressure myself that you have to do this particular thing, or if this is not done, this is like the end of the world or something like that. वो नहीं हो पाता मेरे से. Like I am very much कभी कभी more like go with the flow.
Exactly.
When you're talking about life and all, obviously some things you have to do, but then that's different. But more of my life, I've been this girl who would be like going with the flow. Like मेरा college भी जो था bachelor's का, it was literally decided, I think less than a month ago. Like I had to go. So I didn't pressurize myself कि भाई मुझे अगर वो नहीं मिला तो what next? And I'm not someone who would actually make a list of colleges. के like I've seen people doing that कि भाई IIT नागपुर नहीं मिला तो IIT कानपुर नहीं मिला तो ये.
And I have seen
IIT नहीं मिला तो
people.
NIT, and then they would not be happy.
Exactly. I've seen people जिनको सिर्फ IIT का नेम चाहिए था, and that person traveled to Kashmir. It was
IIT Jammu.
हाँ, it was IIT Jammu, और वो नया campus था उस time पे. Like it was the first or second year, like very new, but they just needed the
Badge.
IIT tag. मतलब I've never been in that race कि ये नहीं मिला अगर तो कुछ नहीं. Like respect to people who kind of choose
Yeah.
that and grab it, cool. But I can't do that.
I'm happy with that.
I'm chilling in it. and I'm
And
thriving.
you know what is the best part of that? Like, so I'm into marketing, like engineering karke bhi I somehow entered into marketing and now I'm doing good in that field. But then the fact is, if you do this popular things like IIT कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, so people would have so many questions because everyone knows about it.
कि
And
इसका
when you
रिजल्ट कब आ रहा है, इसका
हाँ,
एंट्रेंस कब
तो
है.
like you are not questionable to anyone. अभी मैं किसी को अपना बताती हूँ कि like if any of my relative ask that okay what do you do, so I tell about my stuff. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, and you know they can't cross question you about
And
anything.
also not advise you
Exactly.
कि नहीं बेटा वो
Best part.
वो वाला बुक
Bestest
तो
part.
पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, उसके बिना तो वो मेरी उसकी चाची की बेटी है, उसका क्रैक हुआ था और जिस तरीके से वो पढ़ रही
हाँ,
थी.
7 घंटे तो पढ़ना ही पड़ता है. मतलब कुछ ऐसा करो कि कुछ क्वेश्चन ही नहीं हो पाए
I
इस
also
पे.
chose to do like luxury brand management, और जब मैं इसको बता दिया everybody is like, oh. No further questions, no further advices. And I also went on to do like marketing as a field, and I think as a field only marketing has no barriers, anybody can enter at
Best.
any time, exit at any time. So हमने already एक वैसा path choose करा है जहाँ पे कहीं
Hmm.
narrow entrances नहीं है.
Yeah.
I hate places which have like narrow entrances of giving aptitude test, of giving CAT exams. Why do you want to put a like that's the only judgment criteria? I want an open gate. Everybody enters and let's do it. Let's
Yeah, more
play the
like
game.
creativity thing. you
Exactly,
know.
and it has a huge gate. Now everybody can have different perspectives, and now let's play the game.
Everything is valued basically.
And if you are able to achieve something in that, I think वो greater achievement है, because path narrow नहीं था. Already तुम चीज
And the
वो
fact that
cream के साथ
you didn't have any thing, मतलब ऐसे कि एग्जाम है या कोई ये कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज है, ये कर लो उसके बाद तुम सेटल हो जाओगे.
that's
No.
what I'm saying. When you do
Yeah.
that, you are already fighting up with the cream people.
Hmm.
We are just like open in the field
Anyone
and
can come,
अब
you know.
अखाड़े में let's see what everybody can do and just do our thing.
Yeah, and make the name.
So
for
मेरे
yourself.
कॉलेज में अभी there was this thing speaking circle था जिसमें you had to do your TEDx, like you had to imagine that you are giving a TEDx and you are अकेले रह के you have to speak for like 4 to 5 minutes. What did I speak about? I spoke about thriving in mediocrity. मतलब मैं motivate कर सकती हूँ लोगों को. I talked about different experiences or different experiments of how you should not be in one path and just try everything, and it's okay to be mediocre and not the master of one. तो मैंने कहा मैं motivational speaker बन जाऊंगी उसमें. मैंने इतना क्रैक कर लिया है उसको कि आई डोंट
PhD
केयर.
कर लिया है.
मैं मजे कर रही हूँ इसमें. मैं मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बन सकती हूँ इस बारे में. Congratulations to people who do choose this IIT, IIMs, and cracking everything in their life and going to the best of colleges that India has to offer. But I think उन्होंने अपना बहुत ज्यादा माइंड को वो कर लिया है कि
Yeah.
blinders on, this or nothing. We don't care कि और क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, यही बेस्ट बात है. And they think कि हम अलग ही पेडिस्टल पे हैं किसी. So that day we
Obviously.
came across this page which was about
Yeah, IIM IIT शादी, like matrimonial site basically, जो सिर्फ colleges के basis पे you can choose your partner. Like if I go make my profile and I can just filter out, and only IITians and IIM people can make their profile on that.
मतलब what
We are
kind
not
of
eligible.
boring life you're gonna have, because you both had the same kind of mindset all through your life. कभी कभी you need that person to balance it off, who's been like
Yeah,
ठीक है देखी जाएगी, नहीं हुआ तो
But
नहीं हुआ.
even that is not a thing. But कितना calculated हो तुम अपने इस life के इस part को लेके. This is more like should happen naturally, in a very raw way. और you don't calculate कि भाई कुछ ऐसा ऐसा होना चाहिए ताकि मेरी life में ये आए, and has to be इतना level का intelligence or same field so that we can work together. Like so many calculations. Like oh my god, that
कि
was
मैंने अपने इस लाइफ में ये कॉलेज क्रैक करा है, तो जो मेरी
I-
बंदी होनी
वो भी
चाहिए उसने, तुम्हारी लाइफ बहुत बोरिंग होने वाली है. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, गर्ल्स डोंट फॉल फॉर इट. डोंट, लाइक इफ यू फाइंड अ गाय naturally coming out of IIT and he's a chill person, great. But if he has a mindset of putting himself in a pedestal ki, listen,
yeah,
I did that, and the girl I'm gonna marry should be the same kind of a person,
intelligent
who
person.
had that blinders on and just thinking about one thing, and now we're gonna have this marriage, and then our kids who
Will
are
also
यही flow चाहिए life में, nothing else. I'm not choosing anybody else, and that's the problem I think of having this kind of a life. कि
But like
भाई,
I feel so sad for the people जिन्होंने ये ऐप बनाया, like उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा. And Karan Johar is kind of the like the face of
I
this.
saw that Karan Johar is
Yeah.
promoting it. मतलब the person who must have, he's college गया ही है बस वो, that person again. तुमने सब कर लिया, IIT आए, but then again you need to choose a person who is from this field.
Different field, yeah. Also, I've been feeling this really weird thing lately कि my college is getting over. अभी ना ऐसा लगता है that you're stuck at this weird ass place जहाँ पे you don't know what is next basically. So I am working and I have my thing and everything is going fine. But I don't know, still there is one thing that one part of your life is getting over. Now what next? So I don't know, ये मुझे किसी के साथ होता है या नहीं होता है. This is very harsh reality that you are in not that mind space, I would say. Like दिमाग में पता नहीं कुछ तो भी, and that is the reason I'm thinking to get some therapy maybe.
मुझे लगता है किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन से डिटैच होना इज अ वेरी वियर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग, क्योंकि तुम्हें लगता है अच्छा आई वेंट टू स्कूल, देन आई वेंट टू दिस कॉलेज एंड आई ऑलवेज न्यू व्हाट टू डू बिकॉज दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज टेलिंग मी व्हाट टू डू टिल दिस पॉइंट, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज अटैच्ड टू दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन की अच्छा आई एम डूइंग दिस एंड सडनली यू आर लेफ्ट टू
Yeah.
योरसेल्फ, which is something I've already experienced. जब मैंने कॉलेज क्रॉस किया, मुझे वो वाली गंदी एंग्जाइटी कॉलेज क्रॉस करने में आ रही थी, क्योंकि तब तुम्हें नहीं पता होता कि तुम्हें कोई किस चीज के पैसे देने वाला है, तुम क्या जॉब करने वाले हो, इवन इफ आई एम केपेबल टू डू दैट.
But that is the fact that I'm sorted in that way. But I don't know, still I'm feeling very much. I can't explain that feeling, but it's very scary to be honest.
So if by not choosing this टक 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 वाला path कि अच्छा ये वाला बढ़िया कॉलेज किया और फिर वहीं से प्लेसमेंट मिल गई, and just being at this level also comes this anxiety of you have so many options to go through,
Yeah.
and you know some things you can't achieve and can't crack because of that, जो भी उसका entrance होगा या वो होगा, तो not having that tick mark of a path also gets you to this confusion wala stage, I feel.
Maybe, but like I've never been a girl who would, use, or a student who would actually use their college name. मतलब मैंने कभी किसी को नहीं
नहीं,
बताया.
कॉलेज नेम नहीं, बट एक माइंड में तुम्हारे रहता है ना, अच्छा ठीक है, आई एम अटैच्ड टू दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन, एंड
हाँ,
सडनली
that could be like this
not
is something is going on, like back of the mind it is there. But like now I am in a headspace that if I want to live somewhere, so that is like the big decision I have to make. I don't have any foundations or any certain thing that okay, because of this I have to live here or be here or anything. It's like literally open. I can be anywhere in the world, and I can actually now it is the time that I have to think of settling down anywhere, for
Which
like a long
city
term,
should
which
you
city,
choose?
which country, or it could be anything, right? So that is, I think, making me very anxious that like अभी कुछ ऐसा था college में ना कि like if your college is there, so obviously no brainer that you have to be here. And if you
के साथ के आसपास ही
exactly, if
लेना
you
है.
have any job, then you are sorted that you have to. But then now it is just so anxious that I don't want to think that इतना pressure मैंने कभी लिया नहीं है कि I have such open things, I can be anywhere, but
because
I don't want
also
to
you
choose.
do work from home and
Yeah.
picking up clients, तो वो वाला
Even that is difficult ना, कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि what to choose now. क्योंकि अभी तक ऐसे हुआ है that if you tell me that okay, this is the reason you have to be here, then it's fine. But now what next? What am I
So
supposed
with
to
the
do?
open field of options also comes this decision crisis.
Yeah.
I'm kind of sorted that right now we are in Navi Mumbai, and after the course is complete, I'm actually heading back to my home, which is Delhi NCR, and I'm gonna live there because there is no as such reason for me to be here and keep spending so much money and not actually saving it. So there's no actual reason, which also brings us to the anxiety of if we want to do this,
Yeah.
if we want to do this
We'll have
podcast,
to.
how are we gonna go about it? Because I am going back, and जब हम सेम फ्लैट में भी रह रहे हैं तब भी हमारे स्केड्यूल मैच करना इतना मुश्किल होता है, बट अभी कुछ सब्सटैंशियल है भी नहीं फॉर अस टू थिंक ओके हाउ आर वी गोना ट्रैवल एंड हाउ वी गोना स्पेंड मनी ऑन दिस, बिकॉज देयर इज nothing substantial as such for now. So let us, I think you guys should let us know how should we go about it if you
Sure.
want us to keep going and growing.
Yeah, we
and
still have like 3-4 months to go, so you can
to think
just
about it.
let
But
us know.
when every month it hits me like, what about it? Do we want to do this? How are we gonna do this? So there is a lot of anxiety about that as well.
Yeah,
कि
but I
कुछ-
definitely don't want to stop. Like, you have that anxiety going on, but it's just that what if that one video we stopped just right before that?
before we crack it.
Yeah, so
So basically अभी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety stages चल रहे हैं. There are a lot of breakdowns. There are a lot of decisions to be made. Or we were also very realistically searching about this egg freezing thing, which is very anxious
yeah, it
thing
is
to
like
decide upon.
we are
yeah.
thinking to get consultations and everything. So like it is just the thought of it is like huge, at least for me.
And it's a
like,
serious surgery. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बस हो गया 10 दिन में and you can just chill and whatever. It's a very serious surgery and you'll have mood swings because it
major hormonal
hormonal injections and all that. But I think abhi it is an important decision to make, to do or to not.
Absolutely.
So yeah, बचपन से I always thought that it is great to have this kind of freedom of making your decisions, ruling your life in your own way. But तब नहीं समझा था कि इसके साथ इतना ज़्यादा anxiety भी आती है. Strict parents are worst to have who tell you just get up and get married. But जब वो होता है that's the only one thing to do because my parents are saying I don't know what else to do तो मुझे ये करना ही पड़ेगा. But now when you have an open field, it is great to be liberated and to be this freedom.
That is more anxious, I'll tell you.
हाँ वो अब पता लग रहा है कि इतने सारे decisions
Even I have strict parents, but then not that वो strict parents में नहीं आता who tell you actually what to do. Like I
you
had
don't use your
protective
brain.
parents, yeah, but like
same.
I had always had freedom to choose what I want to and what I want to get into or what decisions I have to make. ऐसे कुछ था नहीं.
So the thing
Now
is
it
we
is
know
not.
what we want to, but for
Yeah.
me I'm that bad employee who has this boss जिसकी बहुत ज़्यादा aspirations है, बहुत ज़्यादा aims है to achieve in life, but the employee is super bad and not getting up the ass to achieve those things. So that क्योंकि कुछ ऐसा अभी I've tried to maybe do something of my own या खुद से कुछ करना है तो उसके लिए आपको अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा self motivate करना पड़ता है जो it is a major difficulty to have at this point.
True. And I think ये ज़्यादा like I said बहुत anxious हो जाता है that you have like the freedom to make decisions for yourself but you just can't. Or in fact this should be easy for us, like we have been doing that or कुछ restrictions नहीं हुए तो people think that it will be easy, you just have to choose and you just choose where to live and you just did it, but it is just so freaking more difficult that sometimes you be like okay just tell me what to do and I just go on with
So
that.
independent girls are not
Weak
hydrated.
independent
Independent girl at this stage is not hydrated,
Yeah.
is broke, is
Is-
anxious, is breaking down, is crying every day. So the super thought
Sweat.
of being that girl is just
And the next stop is therapy.
और तुम्हें लगता है कि therapy is the answer of all. कि मैं जाऊंगी, मैं अपनी सब प्रॉब्लम बोलूंगी and there will be this man and lady who's telling me exactly what to do, but therapy में they don't do that. That is the saddest reality. You feel like you go to that person and that person is going to tell you exactly what to do.
शाहरुख खान
Where are you? कैसे चूज करनी है कुर्सी? So dear Zindagi was not the most realistic thing to be. They just let you open your horizon more to make your own decisions, but at the end you need to make your own decision.
I can't seriously.
So काफी sad note पे end हो रहा है that, but that's the life right
That
now,
is life
current
right now.
updates. So yes, please like,
Subscribe.
share, show
And
us love.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram.
We'll try to post more reels and shorts. I know that's not something we're able to do a lot, but we will be
We will be working on that.
pakka.
Yes.
Love, love.
Bye.